add Bluetooth to this '07 Honda Odyssey factory radio. As you can see that this '07 Honda Odyssey is very nicely equipped. It comes with a 6 compact CD changer and has AM, FM, CD, aux, even come with the XM radio. However, it does not have Bluetooth capability. So what I'm going to do is going to add Bluetooth capability by using the Gizmo Guy Gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Gizmo Guy Gadget will allow you to add Bluetooth to any older car factory radio. In this case, would be an '07 Honda Odyssey. Let me show you how it's done. It's very easy, just plug and play. So first, we'll turn on the car. Turn on the radio and set the radio to 87.9. That's all you have to do. Then you get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Simply get my gadget, plug in the cigarette charger, and plug it into your car. And listen.
Power on. Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. Your music will be crystal clear. You'll be able to stream music from Pandora, podcast, news, radio, NPR, anything you want to listen to, you will be able to stream through this radio. Not only that, you will be able to talk hands-free. So whenever a phone call comes in, just press this button. And then you'll be able to answer your call and converse. And once you're done, press this button again. Your music will resume. And also, you'll be able to add GPS navigation functionality from your smartphone right through this factory radio, Honda Odyssey, Honda stock factory radio. You will be able to use apps like Waze or whichever GPS app that you use. You'll be able to hear all your GPS instructions through your car speakers loud and clear as you drive. Enjoy your music from your streaming from your phone. So essentially, my Gizmo Guy Gadget would integrate and it would update and upgrade your sound system, whatever your old system is. You do not need to replace a radio. You do not need to do any type of modification. Simply set the radio and plug in my device, and you will be able to enjoy number 1, streaming music, number 2, talk hands-free, number 3, GPS navigation functionality, all through the older sound system, older car stereo system. You do not need to buy a new head unit. You do not need to replace the head unit. Simply get my device, plug it in, and you're ready to enjoy your smartphone right through your older car stereo system. Okay, this is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.